Now children, see here, the fifth point is non-collinear points. Now what is non-collinear points? Before this you did collinear points, right? What was collinear point? Three or more than three points which was coming in a straight line, right? That was collinear points. Now here it is non-collinear points. Now what is non-collinear points? Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Now for example, there it was what? Collinear में क्या था? 3 or more, right? See here, some points are here now. 3 or more points. Okay. This is from here. Suppose I'm starting the line to draw like this. And from here, can I go straight? No. Here the point is. So I'm coming down this side. So is this a straight line? No. So it is what? Non-collinear point. Okay. Same way here. One more example. See, I'm coming straight now. From here I'm starting the line like this straight. See, I went till here. Now see, one point is which side? This side. So is this collinear? No, it is non-collinear point, because after certain point the line is changing the direction. The point is going other side. It is not coming in a straight line. Okay? That is why it is known as non-collinear points. Remember this. Again I am reading here. Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Okay? Draw this both the you can draw this both the diagram. You can take it as first and this second. Okay? So write neatly and draw this both the figure. Okay? We'll stop here today. Then next, when my period will come, I will give you the further more on this chapter. Okay?